Today I'm going to show you how to auto blog in WordPress. So this auto blogging step-by-step tutorial will show you in one click how you can generate all the keywords you want, all the titles you want, and all the articles you want in one click and auto publish to your WordPress account with all the images and FAQs and all the headings. I want you to watch the end of the video to understand how it is done. With that being said, let's start with SEOPulser.com. So this is a human content writer and it is an auto blogger, and you can generate thousands of SEO optimized articles in minutes on autopilot, and you can also set time frame. Okay, so I'm gonna show you everything in this, how to connect your WordPress account, this full step-by-step tutorial. So why don't we go to the dashboard? So here I am in this dashboard, or you can try SEOPulser.com. They will give you 3 articles for free. So here you have options for projects, keywords, titles, articles, and organizations. Now first what you want to do is go to the project, click on project, and it will take you to the project section, and here you have an option to create a project. Now you want to click on create project and it will ask you to choose the organization. This is a personal account because I'm using my personal WordPress account. Okay, if you're writing for organization, you can go ahead and input it, but it's up to you. And project name, I'm gonna give AutoBlogging WP. Okay, so this is my project name. Now it's gonna ask you, this is the best thing, article generation frequency, like how many articles, 1 per day, 10 per day. Okay, you can go up to 1 every 30 days and 10 per day. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and select 10 per day. Okay, 10 article generation frequency. Now here you have approve random title automatically if no approved titles left. Now this option I will show you what it is used for, and I'll leave like that. But time gap between articles, here you need to select 15 minutes. So let it be 15 minutes because as the blog publishes, it waits for 15 minutes and then it regenerates, it's keeping relevant with the rate limit of blog posts. Now integration, this is the main information. Okay, now here you have to choose WordPress. Okay, now here it will ask you WordPress URL, WordPress username, and WordPress application password. Now I'll show you how to connect your WordPress account to SEOPulser.com. Okay, it's very easy. Now first thing is you need to come to WordPress dashboard, and here you can see I'm at my WordPress. So there are no posts here, as you can see 0 posts, and I can simply go to the users, simply click on users, and it will show you the users. Now here you can create an user. Now I'll go and add another user. Okay, so simply add user if you don't want to use your personal user now. So now I have created the username details. You can see the username is Bruce Wayne, and email raj@makemoneyrush.com, and first name Bruce, last name Wayne. You can also give website, so he doesn't have a website, password, and here make sure you select the role as editor or administrator. Now I'm gonna go ahead and choose administrator, send the new user an email about their account. Okay, now click on add user. Okay, now once you add user, you need to go to the user account, which is a Bruce Wayne in my case, and here you will have option for application passwords. Okay, now first it's gonna ask you new application password name, so I'm gonna go ahead and create the password name, which is a Bruce Wayne, and here you will have option to add new application password. Now simply click on it, it will auto generate your password. Now I simply copy that and go to my SEOPulser, and in the WordPress application password I'm gonna paste it simply, and here application WordPress username is Bruce, and the WordPress URL will be my URL, which is the domain. Okay, so you need to keep in mind you don't need to give the login or any of the page, you just need to give the domain. Now I simply automatically upload images to WordPress. Now I simply click on so this option, if you don't think we need the option, we can create images. Guys, it's easy to create images. Okay, so test connection, so let's see if it connects. If not, I can rectify. Okay, so it's done, connection successful. Please select an author, a default category, save your changes. Okay, so author is a Bruce Wayne, I got it. Now select a default category, all uncategorized articles. So guys, you can see right here it is pulling in the categories, every information from your WordPress account. Okay, so since I have category named blog, so I can see here, so I can go and input the basic information. Okay, my articles will be in English language, my target country is United States, my tone is formal. Okay, so I can make it casual, funny, Okay, I can go ahead and do funny, formatting, bold, italics, tables, okay, everything I want. Article structure, so we can keep 5 to 8 headings, key takeaways, conclusions, FAQs, and internal linking coming soon. External linking, okay, add the external links to relevant websites. Okay, so when you add an external links, right, so when it at the time of bulk generating, it will add an relevant, internal linking and external linking, okay, connecting all the websites. And media, number of videos in your article, so I don't need videos, I can say. So I don't need videos because video indexing, it sometimes gets into problem. Now generated future image, okay, so even this, yeah, I want a number of images in article, yes, 2, okay. Image flux provider, we can keep it flux or stable diffusion, like it's like a models, I guess. Pixabay, okay. So guys, in future you will be having Pixabay and Unsplash, or maybe stock images, which are real images, by the way. Image generation style, illustration, okay. Image size, okay. Generation settings, all good. Number of articles to generate, I want maybe, let's go and do it 2, okay. So, or maybe I can go and keep it at 25, okay. Now I can simply create a project, and so here you can see the project is successfully created and integrated with WordPress. Now all you have to do is go to the keywords and add the keywords, okay. Now you simply click on add keywords, and here type in keywords 1 per new line. I'm just gonna go ahead and type what are the keywords so I want articles to be generated. And once you added the keyword, you will have option to generate child keywords and long tail keywords, and I can simply click on generate. So as you can see, it has added the keywords. Now you can simply click on add it down, and it will show me all the keywords. Now what I'm going to do is I can go ahead and create individually for this one single long tail keyword. I can individually create titles. So example, let's see, for top rated gaming laptops or gaming laptops for streaming, I can simply click on titles to generate, and it will generate 10 titles for me. So as you can see, it has generated 10 titles, okay. Now I can go ahead and add all the titles, okay. So I can simply click on generate. So you can see all the titles have been generated for each individual keywords, and what I can do is I can go ahead and add to my WordPress account, okay. Now when you do this, and let me show you what it happens. So I have added all the keywords and titles to AutoBlogging. So the next step would be go to the titles, and here you have all these options, okay. So right now you can see only 2 options, which is a draft and approve. So if you find any title to be not interesting, you can simply check the box and delete it before approving. But if everything is good, okay, you need to simply select the project, which is a AutoBlogging WP, and you simply have to click on approve, and it will start the generate process. So right now here you can see the rise of VR gaming laptops. What you need, it has been approved and it has been generated preview article, okay. Now you can go ahead and go to the articles and see all the completed, published, and all the processing blog articles, okay. Now what you can do is for every 15 minutes it will auto generate and auto publish. Now if I go to my WordPress account, so if I go to my WordPress account, go to the post, and here you can see it has already been published, okay. So publish date, you can see right here, and tags. And if I open the article, so right now you can see it has even added the feature image and blog article, all the headings, all the internal links you can see right here, all the images and FAQ. Because the frequency is 15 minutes, for every 15 minutes it will auto publish the articles, okay. So here you can approve, reject the titles which you want and which you don't want articles, okay. Now it has a lot of features, okay. You can also work with it, customize it, modify it for your need and experiment with it. So with that being said, the link for SEOpulser.com will be in the description. I want you to check that out, and yeah, catch you on the next one.